So like you all know, I'm Ian Dalver, owner of Dahlcore Security. Now we provide security officers, and Maxie provides the technology. The combination of the two, you could turn one security officer into the power of 3, possibly 4.
So first I want to introduce my name is Max Menchik, owner of AB Systems 24, and we specialize in audio and video surveillance. And this is the people we are actually looking for.
Look at property managers, developers, architects, contractors, and general contractors. These people both need technology and security officers at their locations. Now what we're going to do is we're going to explain how the security officers and the technology side coexist for all of these different clients. Everything we're going to go through has applications for all 4 bullet points that are right in front of you. So we're going to go through each item. IP cameras, intrusion detection systems, also known as IDSs, license plate readers, and biometric readers, bit by bit, and how the security officer works with all 4 of these pieces of technology. So, Dahlcore Security, the men and women that patrol the buildings, patrol the streets, monitor the camera systems, operate the technology, the person that you go to when things don't go well, or as I like to say, the Batman of your property.
Okay, so now I'm going to get into IP cameras. What is IP cameras? The benefit of IP cameras is you get a greater information transfer through IP cameras. You also get a better resolution through IP cameras because you have a better quality picture that you could actually create. Also, the next thing is analytics. What about analytics? You could put specific moments or highlight specific events. If something, let's say, happens and you highlight a specific event, you're actually able to do that with IP cameras. Another great thing is scalability, which is a larger, you could actually run a wire, which is much longer than a regular analog cameras with IP cameras. And it also benefits the security guard. And please.
So the first place with the security officer, so we have in the picture, we have a IP cameras, one of our officers is watching while maintaining a post over at one of our locations. You can have your IP cameras and maybe someone's breaking into the property, destruction takes place, great. Now you have the video evidence to send to NYPD, your insurance company can review, or that can be noticed by maybe someone at a central monitoring station or a booth over here saying, oh, something's going on, I better go address it, show up, oh no, it's security, run. Or, hey, stop that, screw you, security officer. The security officer calls the police, situation's taken care of, you don't have to go through all these other investigations that would take place for reactionary. Analytics are a big thing as well, especially with big locations, say hotels. You have certain areas of public spaces that are condensed with people during certain times. This is great for scheduling security officer rotations. Say the lobby is filled between 1 p.m. to 2:30, let's go ahead and double our force over there, and then they're going to be at Sir Henry's bar from 6 to 8, and we have a pattern daily of where to be during what times and what days. It's kind of like Batman's technology. He uses the technology so he can do his job better.
So intrusion detection system. What is intrusion detection system? Offer organize a number of benefits, starting with ability to identify security incidents. An IDS can be used to help analyze the quantity and type of attack. An organization can use this information to change the security system or implement more effective control. Another way that is used a lot is if you have an alarm system, for example. The alarm system could actually let the security guard know that there's a door or some kind of thing that is actually open, and then he needs to go to that location and actually check it out, what's going on.
A lot of the exits and areas that are not monitored, that the doors would stay open. Now people are going in and out of these exits, mostly employees of the market. However, sometimes somebody, this is a picture I took while on rotation at one of my sites, somebody stuck a bicycle chain to keep this door open. If the door is held open more than 10 seconds or 20 seconds to whatever your settings are, the IDS system alerts the security officer via cell phone. So here we have a picture of a security officer looking at his phone, IDS set off over at stairwell B2. Now he can immediately check what is going on, if the door's propped, security perimeter, why it's breached, and they can address it. So now this officer had noticed within 10 seconds, was able to pull the bicycle chain because someone probably let someone through the market, maybe even a movie theater, without paying for admission. You know, a lot of people, when they have access restricted parking, they use decals. However, all my guys can tell you, those decals are very tough to read. They're the glare of the window, they're coming through, people start getting intolerable of it, saying, hey, I work here, you've seen me 100 times. Well, with the AL or the LPRs, that just shows up on the screen. They're green, let them go. And then the analytics too. Okay, you're not authorized, you have 15 minutes, I'm gonna type you in, put you in, puts a timer on that car. The timer goes off, you need to go check it out, you need to address the situation, and if, say, you know, you have also maybe employees that are parking at a longer length of time. You need to be parked here 2 hours. They left their car overnight. We can see it through LPRs, and the security officer can go ahead and go through the protocols that are put in place. Maybe after 5 hours, call the tow truck if you can't find the owner of the car. Depends on what the property manager or business owner that we work for is looking for.
So biometric readers, what's the benefit, or what is biometric readers first of all? And biometric readers is a way to get into a building or any facility. And what is biometrics? It usually is iris, fingerprints, facial recognition, hand geometry, signature recognition. And one of the biggest things about this thing is you are actually able to save a lot of money.
Yes, and I've worked extensively with the iris readers especially. During the daytime, if you're getting visitors that are coming in using biometrics, you're going to have someone trained to put them in the system, to get their eyes scanned. And iris readers is actually the most unique signature of your biometric makeup, even more than retinal and fingerprint. And as Max was saying, you can save money. Now, you have high frequency, high traffic going in and out of your facility. You're definitely going to need a security officer there. One, to maintain access control, to respond to incidences, and of course, put the people into the bioreaders. Non-visiting hours, say midnight to 4. Just by go ahead and eliminating those 4 hours of security guard coverage, say for 24/7 coverage, you're saving yourself approximately $30,000 annually. It's all about, you know, maintaining within your budget. So people see your iris and say, oh, it's so expensive. But no, you're saving money just by having that reader right there at the doorway.